I am a supervisor at this point, but to become any type of a manager, I do have to have a bachelor's degree.
I started putting in for more, managerial positions and stuff like that, and found myself being turned down.
I was going to University of New Mexico and I couldn't afford it anymore. Trying to work like 2.5 jobs, going full time, and it just wasn't working out, so I had to go part-time student, trying to get more work hours, and it kind of snowballed in bills and stuff like that, so I had to drop out.
So I'd go back and ask them why I didn't get the job, and it would be the whole lack of education thing.
Our HR manager mentioned to me that they're starting the manufacturing university, and she wanted to know if I'd be interested in going back to college, taking some classes, and working on getting a bachelor's degree.
They came up with this program, and I applied, and my boss, gave me the go-ahead.
It took like a year or two to actually get the program going, and it turned out to be Manufacturing U instead of the usual just go to school thing.
It's a program that is really setting new ground, a transition for students from the workplace into applied technology and then on to higher levels of education.
Manufacturing U has done a lot for me in that it's given me the confidence to go over and take my college placement exam, which I did exceptionally well on.
For the employers, they get employees that are learning and growing and advancing.
From my perspective, it's been a wonderful experience. The students not only get the theoretical standpoint of manufacturing, but the practical application.
I've been able to definitely apply everything I've been doing here at work.
For the colleges, it's our way to connect with this whole population that we haven't served well before, the incumbent workers.
I normally work 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., 4 to 6 days a week, depending on the work week. And I also have 4 children at home, so to me, I've never thought about going back to college and how would I really be able to do that.
It works well for people like myself who have to get up in the morning, go to work, and then after we've put in a full day's work, we go to class.
For the students, it's a chance to keep progressing. It's lifelong learning, which is what it's all about.
People at my job and tell me, you've been doing great, I can see improvements, you're going for education and stuff, so they like that. They said they can see me going for a supervisor or management position if I stick with it.
It was certainly a springboard for me, getting into Manufacturing U, attaining some credits that's going to apply to my degree, which my ultimate goal is to come out with a bachelor's.
It's education made real and practical, and that's exciting.